Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to stop loss right here on TradeWheel. So if you want to stop loss, first of all you need to create an account, and if you don't have an account yet, please click on the link in my description where you can create yourself an account and also support the channel a little bit. But then after that, once you have an account, you go right here in the top and search for something that you want to buy. So let's do Bitcoin. Then we fill in right here BTC, click on BTC, and then right now if you want to buy BTC with a stop loss, we click right here on sell or buy. Now let's do buy for now. Fill in right here the quantity in lots, so 0.01 is fine for now. And then if you go right here to stop loss, we can enable stop loss, and now we can fill in right here the price range where we want to stop our losses. So let's say when the price goes lower than 60k, he will close or trade and we will take the profit. So right now we click here on buy, then we do confirm, and then now you see right here or order with the stop loss at 60k. So right now when the price goes down to 60k, he will close or trade and will stop our losses. So this is how you can stop loss right here on TradeWheel. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. For now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.